Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, supporting, showing the love. Truly, greatly appreciate that. All right, you guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe, click on that notification bell, and let's just dive in and get started. This is gonna be my, I guess, it's not really a big haul to be quite honest, but I did grab a couple of stuff from Target, so let's start talking about it. Some of them I have mentioned in my previous videos, but which means I've opened them up already and tried them on, but still they were part of my little Target collection that I bought. So without further ado, let's get started. I did buy other stuff, not makeup related, but that's not going to be in this video. So first things first is let's talk about what is on my lips. So on my lips is an e.l.f. product. This is their Sheer Slick e.l.f. product. And if I still have the box, yes I do right here. That is what it looks like. Alright, and it's basically like a sheer color lippy. It feels very nice, very hydrating, very smooth. It is beautiful. I love it. I might go ahead and grab like a different color. I was going to grab like their grapefruit color. I think that's the color. But I'm like, you know what, Sarah? Just pick one for now. See if you like it and then move on. So, picked one. I do like it a lot. And that's the color I have on. It is somewhat buildable. So, it still leaves like that sheer color, like, you know, sheer colorness to it. But you can build it up. But still it's sheer. You get what I'm saying? I like it a lot. Alright? It's not sticky. It's not tacky. It feels nice, hydrating, smooth. Love it. Alright, so that is what it looks like. The next item I got is, let's talk more about e.l.f. products. I got these 3 e.l.f. eyeshadow pencil-like things right here. So, they come in a package that looks like this. Alright, so that's what it looks like. And the other 2 packages, let me show you. That is what it looks like right here. And they're basically eyeshadow sticks slash eyeliner. And I say slash eyeliner because if you take one of the product at the end, you can pop that off. You have a little pencil product sharpener. You just pop that back in. And that is the product right there. They are very, very nice. I like it a lot. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and swatch every single color for you guys right on the back of my hand, just so you know. But I do feel like, depending on your skin tone, these colors may look different on you. So definitely keep that in mind. So we have 3 colors. We have this gold color, which is a Golden Goddess. So Golden Goddess is right here. Can you guys see that? And then we have a pinky color called Rose Quartz, which is the pinky color right in the middle. And then last but not least, this is the Perfect Pearl color, which is right there. So that is the 3 colors. As a matter of fact, I do have it on my eyes right now. I've played with them and I did do a video on them. I'm not quite sure which video is going to go up first, but I have it on my eyes. All 3 colors, and I love them. So just so you know, Rose Quartz is on the inner part of my eyelid. The golden color is on the outer part. And on the lower lash line, I have the Perfect Pearl color. So all 3 of them. So that is all 3 colors on my eyes, and I do love them a lot. So that is that. The next one I want to talk about is another e.l.f. product. I haven't opened these. Alright, so this is the e.l.f. Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow. I picked up these 2, and we're going to open them up. I have tried their products, but not these colors. So I have their other colors, not with me in the studio, but I have tried this product before. So really, this is something new to me, but it was a part of my Target haul shopping collection. So I do want to show you guys. I do want to say, you know, the packaging is a little bit deceiving because I kind of thought the product would be like this big. But really, it's just this big, you know? So a little bit deceiving, but I don't know what was the point of doing that, to kind of trick us or what. Like, what was the point of all this extra space? I'm not quite sure, but whatever. All right, so I got these two colors. Let's go ahead and open them up and swatch them on the back of my hand. All right, so this one, which is this color right here, this is their, what color is this? Meteor. All right, so let's add a little bit like that. Ooh, a nice metallic-y color. Blend it out a little bit. That's very nice. All right, do you guys see that right here? That is Meteor. Very nice. And then the other one, this is called Little, what is it called? Little Dipper. So that is Little Dipper. Let's add that right next to Meteor. Ooh, that's very pretty. Do you see that? Right next to Meteor. That is very pretty. All right. So that is the two liquid eyeshadow by e.l.f. I've already tried these products, not these colors, but definitely have already tried these and I love them. So excited for these two. Next, let's talk about something else I got. Oh, so I've made a video on this, so there is already an open package, but this is a beauty product called Jason Woo. And this specifically is a lipstick, an eyeshadow, and a blush product. When you open it up, and like I said, I've already done a video on it. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna post this or that video first, but when you open it up, that is what it looks like. And although it looks like a regular lipstick, it is a lipstick, a cheek color, like a blush, and an eyeshadow stick. So if you're curious about that, I'll probably do like a mini video on my IG or TikTok. So go ahead and follow me there. What else did I buy? Oh, last but not least, I got the new Neutrogena Skin Balance Moisturizing and Soothing Milky Cleanser. So my face wash is getting low, so I do need a new one. So I picked this up and I'm kind of excited to try this. I've tried a lot of Neutrogena products before, and for the most part, I do like them. And I don't know, just something about it. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to try that out, see if I like it, and give you guys an update and review. Haven't tried it out yet, obviously. So after I finish my current face wash, then I'll go to this and try that out. So that is pretty much it for my little itty bitty Target haul video. I did buy other stuff like snacks and food and all that good jazz. So if you're curious about that, I'll probably do videos on my Instagram or TikTok. So follow me there. But that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick mini video. Before we leave, we need a thumbnail picture. So what do I do? Maybe just grab a bunch of stuff. Hopefully that works. I'm not quite sure. That's going to be my thumbnail picture. Anyway, you guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Tap on the notification bell. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.